How to make money with LinkTree. Hi guys, I'm Jason. I'll be showing you how other persons are using LinkTree to make anywhere from $100 to $500 per day by simply posting their LinkTree link and leaving it, and that's it. It's the perfect example of passive income, as you'll do all of the work upfront and then you can leave it and just be collecting money daily without doing anything more. LinkTree is completely free to sign up, and what I'm going to recommend that you do is CPA marketing. In case you don't know, CPA marketing stands for cost per action. So you're going to go over to CPA Grip and you're going to sign up and create a free account. The beauty about CPA marketing or CPA Grip is you will get paid for someone to simply enter their name or email address. Once you have signed up with CPA Grip, you'll be led to this dashboard right here, and you're going to go over to the left hand corner and tap on My Offers. After you have selected My Offers, you will see your country right here and also category. But I recommend that you target either United States or the European countries, as the offers for those countries tend to be a lot more than the Caribbean and other countries. And as you can see right here, for someone to simply download an app, you'll be getting 86 cents. For them to enter their email address to win a Walmart gift card, you'll be getting $1.37. It's as simple as that. Now you may be wondering, okay then, LinkTree is completely free to sign up. CPA Grip is completely free to sign up. So what am I going to do after I get the CPA Grip link and I create my LinkTree account? I recommend that you go onto social media. For example, you could go onto Pinterest. Here is a good example of a person that signed up to CPA Grip and is doing iPhone giveaways. As you can see right here, all they do is create free pins, which you can quickly do on canva.com, and they post a few pins per day. For example, you could post 2 pins per day, and you don't need a lot of following. As you can see, they only have 239 followers, and yet still they are getting over 6,000 monthly views. So if just 20% of these persons were to tap on this link and enter their email address, you will be making a good amount of money. And again, if you don't want to use Pinterest, you can also use TikTok, as here is another example of a TikTok page that is posting content from Instagram or other TikTok creators. All they're doing is posting daily motivational quotes, and you can see that they have their LinkTree link right here. If I were to tap on it, you can see here they are promoting a CPA offer. If I was to tap on this first one right here, you can see Click Tricks. That's a CPA affiliate, CPA marketplace, and all I'll have to do is enter my name and email address right at the top here, and the creator of this TikTok page will be getting paid. That's it. So you do free offers, and all the person has to do is enter their name and email address, and you'll be able to earn anywhere from 50 cents to up to $2 or even more. And again, if I were to go back to Pinterest, as you can see here, the person that is doing the free iPhone giveaway, and all of them you can see uses LinkTree. And if I were to tap on their LinkTree link, it would carry me to this page, on which they are doing a free Google Play giveaway and also Amazon gift card giveaway. And if I were to tap on any one of them, it will open up a CPA link, as you can see here. And again, it will be asking me to more than likely enter my name and email address. You can simply choose one, and that's it. That's how to make money with LinkTree. So you'll simply go onto LinkTree and create a free account. Then you're going to sign up to CPA Grip, and you're going to choose an offer that you want to promote. And I would recommend that you go onto Pinterest, as it's the easiest one to start creating pins and to also start getting views, as you can start making money using this from the same day. So this is definitely a good way to make money online. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.